Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop and back to our O-Gauge test track. In this video we're looking at Heljan's brand new model of the Great Western Railway AEC railcar for 7mm scale. They can read our full review of this exciting new addition to the Heljan range in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 166, the April 2021 issue. On our test track today we've got a BR Carmine and Cream livered example finished as W20W. However, this railcar is available in a number of different liveries covering Great Western Chocolate and Cream, BR Carmine and Cream and also BR Green as well. Each one has got a 21-pin decoder socket in it, as well as space for a speaker underneath the body. Plus it's got a whole raft of lighting features, so you've got individual lighting control for the directional lower lights, the upper light, the tail light, cab interior lights and the saloon lighting too. Now all of that can be controlled from either an analog system or a digital system. With analog you've got a bank of 9 switches underneath the unit which allow you to turn different functions off, whilst on DCC you can use lock sound decoders to control those lighting features too. We've got a Lock Pilot version 5 decoder plugged into this unit to demonstrate the lighting functions here on our test track. Plus we've also been putting it through its paces outside on our garden railway. The very first of the Great Western railcars were built in 1933 and they had a very streamlined body style of the era. However, as things progressed, the design progressed too, which led to the introduction of the razor edge body style you see on this unit here in 1940. These vehicles were numbered 19 to 33 and they differed from the previous version in terms of the body styling and also in the fact they had draw gear as well, which allowed them to haul a small trailing load as well. So you could, for example, run your railcar with a couple of box vans stacked behind as well as a trailing load. They had twin AEC engines and the whole fleet was withdrawn between 1960 and 1962. Happily 3 of these units have survived into preservation, 1 of the original body style plus 2 with the razor edge styling like our example of W20W here. And if you want to read more about the AEC railcars, you can log into keymodelworld.com, head over to the reality check section in the railway history section, and you can read the full story there. Plus, if you've got a back issue collection, you've got to look at issue 127 for more on these units. There are 6 different versions of this railcar available from Heljan, priced at £549 each. As we explained, they're available in Great Western Railway and British Railways colour schemes, each with individual running numbers too. The specification is feature rich both in terms of electronics, so the lighting function mentioned earlier, as well as the decoder socket and the provision for fitting a speaker, whilst in terms of detail you can expect lots from this unit too. That includes sprung working buffers at each end of the unit, there's also a sprung working screw coupling, there are factory fitted brake pipes on the buffer beams, separately fitted handrails, neatly fitted glazing, a full interior detail too, and really quite intricate cab control desks too. The bogies are also superb and you get turned metal wheels inside of each of those with the mechanism completely hidden underneath the floor inside one of the motor bogies. Topping all that off, it's also got all-wheel pickup too, which means it runs really smoothly here on our test track. We hope you enjoyed watching our video of Heljan's new O-gauge Great Western Railcar, and we'll be back soon with another video on their double O-gauge version of the Razor Edge Railcars too. Don't forget you can read our full review of this brand new model in issue 166, the April 2021 issue of Hornby Magazine. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.